Welcome to this technical guide on the GIGABYTE GB-BKI5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your GIGABYTE GB-BKI5's processor has started making strange noises, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to dust accumulation or overheating, causing the fans to work harder than usual. If left unchecked, this can lead to more severe damage to the processor, potentially resulting in total failure and costly repairs. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, locate the processor. It is usually situated near the center of the motherboard, covered by a heat sink. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the heat sink, making a note of their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the screws securing the heat sink. Apply a slight upward pressure to lift it off, being cautious not to damage the processor underneath. If you see any dust or debris, use the can of compressed air to clean the area. This will help improve airflow and reduce overheating. Next, gently lift the processor out of its socket. Be careful not to bend any pins during this process. Inspect the processor for any visible damage. If it appears fine, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the top of the processor before reattaching the heat sink. When securing the heat sink back in place, ensure that you tighten the screws in a diagonal pattern to evenly distribute pressure. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, power on your device and listen for any unusual noises. If you hear silence, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your GIGABYTE GB-BKI5. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your device to avoid dust buildup and ensure that it has adequate ventilation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.